Stop using just one AI image tool. Here are 9 you need to know and exactly when to use each one. Need text inside your images that actually reads correctly? Imagen and Ideogram are your go-to tools for accurate in-image text every time. For fast photorealistic generations with conversational editing, Nano Banana by Google gives you speed and quality with zero compromise. Got a low-res image? Magnific AI upscales it into stunning high-resolution visuals packed with fine detail. Need the same character across every single image? RenderNet's Face Lock and Control Net keep your character consistent every time. Transform plain product photos into professional 3D CGI visuals, no editing skills needed. That's open magic. Need images cleared for commercial use? Adobe Firefly is fully licensed and safe, perfect for brands and businesses. Virtual try-ons, AI fashion models, professional product shots, all without a photo shoot. Pico Pilot handles it. For cinematic, deeply artistic visuals that stop the scroll, Midjourney delivers unmatched depth and style. And if you want to explore thousands of free open-source image models all in one place, Hugging Face is your hub. Comment link below for all 9 tools. Like, share, and follow AoCreativity for more.